Ay.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Hello, hello. Let me check if this is working. The chat. We made it, boys. Yeah, Jacob. Let's check Twitch. Where is the chat? Where is the chat? Okay, let's go. Can you hear music in the background? I don't know if placing the chat over here or not placing it at all. Okay, in Twitch it is black. Let me check on the mobile phone. Zero viewers on Twitch, my channel. Live. It is completely.
Zero viewers on Twitch. My channel.
Shit.
Live. It is completely. Zero viewers on Twitch.
It's working on X. I don't know. YouTube. Joan, we can hear your sexy voice. Yeah, but it's working on X, on YouTube, but on Twitch it's completely black. I don't know why. Yeah, but it's working on X, on YouTube, but on Twitch. Shut up. I think I'll just turn off the Twitch thing and move on with icons on YouTube. We'll check tomorrow. I'm using this thing Restream to restream, but it is not restreaming on Twitch. If I turn off and turn on again. Streaming. Music can be heard, says Vlad. Okay. I think it's copyright free music, so we'll check it when. Okay, now it's working on Twitch.
So
I know.
we'll check it when. Working on Twitch. Twitch.
Anyways.
I know. We'll check it when.
You started so late, I'll have to leave soon, Juanito. Yeah, man, it was so difficult to set up all this stuff. Actually, this is gonna last for like an hour or an hour and a half or so. So this is gonna be a short one today, but we will continue tomorrow. And I want to see the chat properly all the time because it's hiding when I change the window. I am completely noob, man. If I put it here, while I change the window disappears. Fuck. Anyways, the chat isn't that important. Okay, Vlad, see you. Maybe. Okay, doesn't matter. Can I pin this? From embedding a string. Embed chat for event. Too much stuff now. Hi, Vlad, bro. Vladinho. Appearance. I don't know how to pin this thing. We'll check it tomorrow. But this is kind of. Can you see the screen properly, or is it too small, too tiny? Huh? I mean, at 1080 maybe, but what time do you play some Muñeiras? Marcos Innovation. Can you read the text? Over here. Or is it too tiny? Because maybe I have to change the screen resolution. Doesn't matter. You will complain if you don't see. Oh man, nice setup. Is this a Vision Pro or what? Yeah, as you can see, I don't know what the hell I am doing. Maybe I should pause the stream links there. Tomorrow we'll see. Okay, so what are we doing here? We want to start an iOS app from scratch. We're going to develop the whole thing on live stream, and hopefully we will publish it to the App Store and make the product and launch. So what are we going to do? We are going to do Widgets for Stripe, which is an app for having widgets for Stripe, and it's going to be called Widgets for Stripe. And text is too small, says Vlad. Yeah, I know, man. Be sure to use it. Nice plug, man. Text is too small. Okay. I know that this is going to be a pain because the main monitor is the main display is 32 inches and it is 4K, so it's too tiny for a 1080 streaming. Okay, let's change the screen resolution, displays. I want to see the chat. Needs more relax here, okay. I seen comments from YouTube and from X and from Twitch, nothing because I don't know if it is already. Okay, I have one beer here. And 106 from X. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's change this to I don't know. LG. Oh no, it's not this one. Oh man, this is huge for me. And I have to resize here in OBS. Or no? No, it's okay. Gonna set it to 1440. How is it now? ¿Qué pasa, Daniel? Muyayo. Let's open Xcode and see. Maybe fast. In Xcode I can put it a bit bigger if I want. So maybe it won't be a problem. Okay, as you can see, I'm very bad at thinking and speaking at the same time. I'm very bad in Spanish, so you can imagine how can I be on English. Okay. So we are going to do an app for having widgets for Stripe because the official app don't have it. As you can see, I'm gonna plug my iPhone here and fuck. Okay, I have the official Stripe app installed, and it has widgets for the lock screen. Oh, there's no search bar here. So as you can see, there are these small tiny widgets for the lock screen. You can set up, I don't know, some shit, monthly recurring revenue or blah blah blah. A lot of stuff actually. But 0 MRR, yes, to the moon. But there are no widgets, cool widgets like the GitHub one or this from Keddy for having the cool stuff over here. So we are going to build an app just for displaying charts and MERR and revenue and something like that in a cool way, because I don't know, this was a thing that I wanted to have when I installed the Stripe app. I searched for these widgets and I go, oh man, there isn't widgets for that. So yeah, there's going to be a vitamin product. This is a nice to have product, but it is a vitamin one, so maybe I don't sell a single unit, but it will be useful for me. No falla la playlist. What's the app? Just join it. ¿Cómo estás? The app is Widgets for Stripe. I think I'm gonna call it Widgets for Stripe. If we end up with a better name, I don't know. Oh man, Vlad, my Russian is a bit oxidated. I need translation. Your camera view is blocking the screen. Yeah, there's nothing important to see right now, but you are right. You are right. I can put my stupid face a bit smaller. Actually, I'm showing nothing on the screen. Inception. So, okay. What's the main problem for building this? Main problem is I've never used Stripe API other than processing payment on Rafast, but you know, I just bought ShiftFast and it was all pre-built. So yeah, we have to kind of build an API client or request all the info, the stuff on Stripe. And the second challenge is that I've never coded iOS widgets, so I'm going to learn how to do it with you. This is missing charts again. I never coded SwiftUI, okay? This will be funny. I've never coded SwiftUI Charts, so we are going to learn also on live stream how to do properly SwiftUI Charts, or maybe ask ChatGPT and let it code for us. And yeah, the bonus challenge is that I never do on a live stream. This is my very first time, so we'll see what will happen here. And okay, for the Stripe thing, you can have like a token with limited permissions. So you can ask, because we will need to the user to authenticate in some kind of way. So you can ask the user to follow a link, so Stripe prompts with the permission required, and then you create a token that will only be it will only have permissions for read the required stuff. So I think we can start by creating the project template, creating the GitHub repository, and after that start coding the Stripe thing. Okay, let me check. Second. Never coded SwiftUI, Jack. Yeah, man. I don't know. I don't need SwiftUI anymore. Just Cursor. Didn't try Cursor yet, man. I have it installed over here, but I'm still trying the new Xcode 16 AI stuff. So far it's going to be kind of dumb, but I don't know. I mean, when you're gonna have the phone screen. Widgets are annoying, they are useful. Yeah, they are super cool, man. I love having the GitHub graph on the home screen and revenue and that stuff. So I think it's a cool thing to have. Okay. So let's check Twitter. You gotta see this. No, man. Scroll Cloud. I don't know, man. Never use Scroll Cloud because I always use Firebase, and I mean the continuous integration for small projects it's so attractive. Okay, let's close things over here. Okay, for the Stripe thing, I have the API documentation over here, but we have here a tweet by a guy that you may know, that he shared how to request properly how to generate a URL to request the proper permissions that you will need in order to get the token. That we will need that token to query the API of the Stripe's API. And as you can see, Mark uses this thing for two projects, for Zenvoice, which is a project for generating invoices. So in order to configure it, you click this thing, restrict the API key. So this is URL that prefills all the permissions. I don't know exactly what permissions we will need, because he only needs charges here, but maybe we need another one in order to, maybe with charges is enough. I don't know, I want to display like daily MRRs, daily revenue, number of customers, daily, weekly, monthly. So I know we will have to dig a bit on Stripe's documentations. And so the idea is, if we prompt in the iOS app the user to click here and create an API key, this is restricted, so we only have access to that info. So the user don't think that we are going to write or read sensitive stuff. And because the user could by their own, you can create an API, a restricted API key, but it's not that direct. So as you can see in the page, he also used the same technique. URL, okay, no. To connect with the Stripe. We can think about including Lemon Squeezy, but I don't know if this is possible or how it works. So for the MVP, it's going to be only Stripe. But I don't know actually if Lemon Squeezy has an official API, official iOS app, or if it has also widgets. And here he uses the same technique, generates a URL with some parameters in the page, it prefers in the page here, and permissions. He asks for rack, charge, read, and some other stuff. Bucket, maybe I only need charge, I don't know. the documentation. I have the PA documentation over here. What it is? Oh no. API references, charges. Okay, there is a lot of stuff. The charge object is huge. It's completely huge. So I think querying, for example, charges in a certain period of time, it will retrieve some kind of array or object with all the charges. So maybe having this from the iOS app, we can then print, draw all the stuff and build the widgets and so on. So, okay, there is another problem that if you made an app that is only widgets, probably it's going to be rejected from the App Store, as well as this happened to Jack and to Florian when they created Countly, which is an app for having widgets with the count of the Twitter followers. They have been rejected for being too minimal. Because I think in the main screen they only had like connect with your X account and the app was only widgets. So my idea is I draw like this mockup. This is founder mode. And I think I have ever dropped it before. Wait a second. Okay. So in order to not be rejected for being too minimal, I just will display like the different widgets on like a kind of a home screen. So you can preview GIMP to find devices on local networks. Why GIMP will need to find local devices? This is so weird. And why I open it GIMP? Fuera. Oh man. Pues quit. Tómalo. Vale. So in order to not be too minimal, I'm going to preview like how the widgets will look. I mean, it's the small type, the medium, and the large in scroll views. And I don't know really how to monetize it. I thought like being a freemium, I don't know, maybe just showing where is the image. Maybe allowing the free users just to display one widget, like for example the daily MRR or the daily revenue in numbers, and then blocked for the premium users the rest of the widgets. So in order to have nice charts and personalize the other data that you want to display, you have to pay. But I don't know, maybe one of each size. We will see. This is the starting point. Let me check the chat. This is so weird speaking in my room to a display. You can use my boilerplate. Everyone is plugging aquí the products. It's a Stripe webhook. Ah, oh, cool. But it's Next.js, man. I want to do all from the iOS app. I mean, there is no sensitive tokens that can be spoofed, so maybe we will do all the requests from the iOS app. Okay, so that's the thing. And where we start off, we can start by creating the GitHub repository and cloning my boilerplate, of course. Even though this is going to be this isn't going to be an AR wrapper, but it's going to be a Stripe wrapper. So maybe I have to pivot my business. So okay, let's have this over here. And actually, if we are lost querying Stripe and all that thing, this guy made a live stream doing this stuff, so we can have here all the information, but hopefully ChatGPT will be enough. So okay, let's close in here. Restream. I think Restream is not working on Twitch, but we'll check it out tomorrow because this is going to last for several days. I don't know when we will finish, maybe like a week or so. Depends how difficult it is to do the Stripe thing. Fuera. Actually, I don't know if this stream is going to be saved on YouTube, on X. Goodbye, I'm from scratch. Please block this guy, please. Do a favor to the humanity. Block. Can I copy this without buying wrap fast? No, man, you have to buy it first. Okay. Figma. Twitch is still black. I don't know why. Man, I paid like $20 for using this mod Restream for having a black stream on Twitch. Cool, man. Actually, I'm gonna stop it because it has no sense having it here running. And I have 5 on YouTube and 224 on X. I think this is a cumulative. This is not people all together saying at the same time. Okay, when we start, we can start by creating a GitHub repository. Okay. So, new repository. Repository name. Super original. Stripe. Widgets. Maybe iOS, because if we make a landing page. But I think for the launch, we don't make a landing page. I don't know. We will see. No description, private. template is Swift here, or was it Xcode? I think it's Swift. License, just private, so. Okay, we have the repository. Let's clone it. What? Okay, let's clone this shit. Probably I will leak a lot of stuff. What can you do with the leak? I have to. Yeah, man, this is scary as fuck. I mean, I probably can leak like API keys or random stuff. I don't know. This is kind of scary, but hopefully you can tell me if I'm showing something weird on the screen. Oh, this is raining so hard now. Come on. Holy shit. Okay, so we have this stuff cloned. Extra widgets over here. Let's add it a nice color, maybe purple, stripes purple. And the next thing, cloning Rafas, the best boilerplate out there. Rafas iOS. Come on, man. I don't know if cloning it here. Yeah, why not? Repo inside a repo. So we clone this. And what was the thing to remove from the origin? This. So it's attached from the remote, and now we do dirty things over here. We have a repo inside a repo, but we only care about this. So to the trash. To the trash. And we have Rafas here. So hopefully this all tracked with the source control. We're going to add our repo to source tree. And yeah, it's all here. Let's commit this to fill our GitHub tile today. Hey, what? I don't have the remote added. Oh, fuck. Let's check this thing. Wahoo. 5 minutes ago. No problem. Oh, Max Blade. Don't worry, just finished work. How you finish with your horny grandmas? How is the haircut, man? My man Max Blade. This man needs a haircut. Please help him. So, did you go to the barber? Are you already like this? My Max. Dan is jealous. Hell Max PNG isn't naming like that the file. Where it is? Hell Max PNG. Hell Max PNG is a thing now. Why? Man, the chat disappears all the time. This is kind of... Okay. So let's open this thing. Oops. I break the microphone. Stripe, wrap fast, moving at the speed of light. Let's close this. Let it resolve dependencies. Actually, I think I won't need things like authentication nor Firebase and stuff like that, because I don't need to store any personal information. So having authentication doesn't make sense. So maybe Firebase only for analytics and Crashlytics. So we have to remove kind of some stuff. That is compiled. Actually, let me open the documentation, because building the boilerplate was an excuse for having a proper documentation for building projects. Yeah, we have to rename all the thing. Okay, let's see if this compiles. Hopefully one day. Dude, come on, B. Is the music too loud or is it okay? Man, you talk a lot. A share of the profit. Yeah, maybe a free subscription, a 3-day trial subscription for the participants. But not for you. For you, double the price. Okay, build succeeded. Incredible. With Xcode 16, this is like a lottery. So we start by renaming. It was at project level or I think it was project level. Yeah, project level. How do we call this stuff? Let's type widgets. Oh no, widgets no. Widgets. No problem. Rename of the rename. You have never used Xcode. You have to know that this is going to break everything. Rename a thing in Xcode is like exploding everything. Implosion. Of course, now this is not going to compile. Why I hate you then? Because you are making bullying to me. You are quoting ratio tweets. How is your tweet going? Let's check. Let's check it. Mr. Dan Green Ring. Oh, retweeting this. You feel bad for what you did yesterday. And now you retweet me. Okay. Come on. Almost 600 likes and 100k. Okay. But you know what? The original 115k. But man, 600 likes, crazy. Guess you are an expert bullier. Oh man. No GTC. Oh man. Just C++. What's your problem with source tree? It is good. Okay, let's explode things. Of course, it is failing now. Face script. Build settings. Fast. Okay, it is messing up with cause fast. No. Translative scripts has the path and is messing with it. Where was this shit? Over here? Over here? No. Build faces, create the script. Why is it messing with it? Build directory. Maybe let's clean and build again. Founder mode, but I'm not founder mode. I'm Waterdog account mode. Okay. I'm in noob mode. This breaks. Crashlytics, 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 Crashlytics. What the heck is this? Rough fast. Why is Crashlytics crashing? And the irony. I'm gonna change the one identifier as well. Let's try widgets. And for now we are going to just maybe the build here. Why not live on Twitch? Because Restream is messing up with Twitch. It was only like showing a black screen, and we only hear the audio. So I don't know. I will check it out tomorrow to configure it with more time. I'm going to remove this and add it later, just for the sake of continuing. Okay, it compiles now. I'm gonna change this for strike widgets, and this is going to break a lot of things, probably, because here you have the old directory Exporting files. The entitlements. We probably need a new entitlements later. And we also changed the display name over here. What display name? Stay widgets. This will appear on the bottom of the icons on the home screen on the iPhone. For now, we are going to set it this way. iOS 16.4. Maybe we have to upgrade this to iOS 17 in order to have interactive widgets. I don't really know if we are going to develop interactive widgets, but maybe it would be nice having a button to refresh. But I don't know, maybe we change it later. Okay, let's build. I don't know if I really can receive prime subs so far. Maybe it's too early. Okay, that's this build. Man, it's 7:30 already. I'm going to leave at 8 p.m. I spent like the whole afternoon configuring things here. Okay, build succeeded. Okay, let's go. So maybe hopefully we can run. Oh no, on the iPhone, on the simulator. And see, we have a template running. Did I miss something? Renaming the scheme doesn't. It is not very important. Man, I'm not used to speak so much. I have the throat like dry. Okay, let's see if this runs. Yeah. It's alive! So now I charge you $249. Okay, this is running. Have to change things here, obviously. Request review, blah blah blah. Paywall. Sign in. We don't need sign in, but we have the things working. Let's comment this. Renaming. So what are we doing now? Okay, probably renaming this scheme. What was this thing? Manage schemes. Stripe widgets. Did I broke something? Ryan, what's up, man? A lot of filter friends over here. Yeah, it's okay. Did I miss something? Let me check. Blah 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 blah. Renaming baby 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 baby. Okay. When we create the Firebase project, we have to replace the Google Service Info, but so far we don't need the Firebase stuff yet, so we can continue. Okay, let's commit this rename scheme. Okay, what can we do now? The main app. Okay, the main app. Stripe widgets app. We can rename this also. Oh man, Xcode is so damn slow renaming things. Huh. I'm stupid. It was only this thing. Stripe widgets app. And we are going to only let the tabs view in order to skip all the logging, the stuff, and jump directly to the main views. What's up, Brian? I'm building an app for having widgets, Stripe widgets on iOS, on the home screen. Widgets for Stripe. So you can see like the daily, monthly, the daily revenue, the monthly recurring revenue, and so on and so on. I also want to have like the GitHub contribution graph, but for Stripe sales. So you can feel when you have a sale, you feel the tile. Maybe that would be a nice addition for the desktop, having it connected to the Stripe API. Think about it, Max. Think about it. I want the 30% of that. ¿Qué pasa, Miguel? ¿Cómo andamos? Okay. All set. Okay, this is the main screen of the boilerplate. We don't need Vision, we don't need ChatGPT, we don't need DALL-E. We only need like one tab for having the preview of the widgets, and another setting tabs for like adding a project, adding Stripe projects, and requesting the API keys. So it's going to be a pretty simple one. Yeah, we don't need a lot of stuff for this app. So we can start by changing the accent color, because this app is going to be like purple accent. So colors, accent color is currently green, and I'm going to add it like, purple, but I don't want to use the exact X of Stripe, because I'm afraid of having a complaint by Stripe, because I already received a complaint from Meta for using Insta in one app, in Insta Caption. I had to rename it to Photo Caption because I couldn't use Insta. And I also received a complaint from Be Real, because in one app I had to remove one app that is called Tweet Real, like having a Be Real on on Twitter, and literally says Be Real but on Twitter, and I received a complaint from Be Real. So I don't want to receive another complaint from Stripe saying that, I don't know, that color is kind of registered or trademarked or something like that. So we're gonna check the X of Stripe and tweak it a bit. Let's color, Stripe, and icon. The music is a playlist as Zelda, The Legend of Zelda and Chill, Lo-fi music. This one. Wait a second. Where is the cursor? Where is the arrow? Man. I cannot bring Spotify here. What the heck? Let me check the settings. Oh no. Here it is. This one. Holy shit. Zelda and Chill. This is the most reproduced playlist on my Spotify. Like, I don't know, 1000 times each one. It's so good. I play it on repeat like 4 hours. I think it hasn't, it is not copyrighted, so let's see if YouTube remove this stream or not. And I want to check the display layout because I couldn't reach this. Okay, let's put it over here. Man, I said it before like this, but for some reason it moved to the left. Don't know why. Okay. Stripe color palette. So is this the official purple from Stripe? Probably. Maybe not. Stripe color palette. Or we can simply Stripe. Oh, Stripe, Google Image. And use zip to 54, 59 or 4. Nope. Oh, Stripe brand color codes. Yeah, this looks kind of the official. So let's copy this just for not using it. So if we use this one from here, this one was very different, isn't it? I know it was this one. 84. Luca Lupo, buongiorno. Buonasera. Dan continue making bullying to me. Okay. How do you code with music? How do you not code with music? Hi Luca. How is it going for in Tokyo, in Japan? Are you back? Yeah, are you back indeed? You are grinding. Your name is fine. It's buonasera here in Spain, no? Like almost 8 p.m. We have like only 10 minutes left for this stream. It's going to be a quick one. Okay, let's continue. We are going to use this for now. So now everything is purple, hopefully. Where's the simulator? FFFFF. Oh no, it's still green. What happened here? Ah, okay, it's the brown color. Okay, my fault. My fault. My fault. Same for both appearance. If you code the dark mode, you launch it too late, no? That's what they say. No coding today. Just picking colors. Man, we renamed things. That's code. That counts as code. Okay, everything is purple now. Cool. Juanjo invented colors. Let's commit this. Doesn't matter, this commented. Okay. Change brand color. And we are going to remove stuff now because we have tabs that we don't need, like these tabs. We are going to let the vision view and the settings view a la mierda. And this is going to be renamed or a new one. A new one. Over here. SwiftUI view. Home view. Finally coding, Dan. Finally coding. So home. Hopefully the SF symbol for home is named home. Should we check it? I think that yes. Home. House. Okay, it was house, not home. House then. In settings, here, okay. It's coming, we don't need it. We don't need it as well. Okay, hopefully now we have only 2 tabs. Okay, home view here. How is your nickname? How is your handle? Damian. Robot D4M1N. Font. Large title. Okay. We have 2 tabs. The home one. We are going to display here the widgets previews and the setting stuff. And everything is purple. We are good for today. Nice job, guys. Nice job. You're going to commit this. Actually, we are going to remove the stuff here. We don't need ChatGPT. Move to trash. We don't need Vision. Move to trash. We don't need DALL-E. Move to trash. Hopefully this still compiles. What will send a share of the profit to each? What profit, man? What profit? Hopefully I will sell one unit for me because I will be using it. The next $1 trillion. We are going to be trillionaire. In the hacker city painter and now lawyer. Congratulations, you've reached 100 messages today. And 100 messages and 80 of them by done. Zoom in, SF Homie. Okay, this doesn't compile. Yeah, this compiles. Man, I don't know how streamers are reading the chat and doing things at the same time and programming, and this is so damn difficult. Okay, this compiles. Let's commit this. Remove stuff. Meaningful commit message. Okay, so I think we are going to leave it here because we have like 4 minutes left. I'm going out dinner with my girlfriend and she is going to kill me if I'm not doing on time. So we will continue tomorrow, and I think we will start by we will start doing the stripes API thing, like requesting the key, the restricted key, and connected it in the iOS side. Yeah, and hopefully program more than today and with less troubles. And I think I have to figure out how to have the chat showing up all the time, because it is fine every time I unfocus the screen. 24 minutes coding one, yeah. Yeah, man. Tomorrow streaming will going to be named Picking Colors on live stream. Okay, guys. I have to leave it here. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana.